Hey there, I'm Dr. Ethan, and today we're going to take a look at SCP-2295, the bear with a heart of patchwork. This little guy falls under the object class of safe, but don't let that fool you, there's still plenty of mystery surrounding this cuddly creature. Let's dive in and see what makes SCP-2295 so special. SCP-2295, also known as the bear with a heart of patchwork, should be contained in a standard locker in Storage Wing 25 at Site 37. SCP-2295, also known as the bear with a heart of patchwork, becomes active when it is within 2 meters of a human who has sustained a major injury to an organ. In the presence of multiple potential subjects, SCP-2295 consistently selects the youngest individual. It then displays anomalous abilities by producing scissors, white thread, and either sewing needles or a crocheting hook from its mouth. It uses any available fabric and stuffing to create a patchwork replica of the damaged organ, referred to as SCP-2295-1. Once the imitation organ is created, it vanishes from sight, causing the subject to become unconscious. The SCP-2295-1 instance then replaces the damaged organ through anomalous means, and the whereabouts of the original organ are unknown. If there is no suitable material nearby, SCP-2295 will use its own fabric and stuffing, regenerating 1 gram of stuffing per day until it has replaced any lost or used stuffing. However, fabric used in this way does not regenerate, requiring additional fabric to be provided for the creature to mend itself. Despite the expected biological, chemical, and medical incompatibilities, instances of SCP-2295-1 are successful in performing their intended functions. Once inside the subject, adjacent tissues and veins seamlessly attach to the imitation organ with no observable issues. Furthermore, there have been no cases of rejected SCP-2295-1 instances, and all subjects have made full recoveries at the time of writing. Personnel with Level 3 or higher security clearance are allowed to conduct tests on SCP-2295 after completing the necessary paperwork. Contact Dr. Georges if access to SCP-2295 is expected to last more than 24 hours. Testing was authorized to explore the limitations of SCP-2295, and materials were provided in the testing chamber. Document 2295 was found attached to SCP-2295 in a crashed mail delivery vehicle. It is a red, "Get Well" card with the words, "Kairos the Bear" written on the front cover.